Hello friend, welcome to my channel WildCreed. I am MK Roy. In this video I'll show you how to fix Ads.txt file error in Adsense for your WordPress website. Actually, this tutorial for those users who work on the blogs or websites. If you got this message, earning at risk, you need to fix some Ads.txt file error. And if you are not fix this error, it will impact on your Adsense revenue. So in this tutorial, I want to show how to easily fix this error. You can click on this Fix Now option. Otherwise, you can go to your sites, and this is all of my sites, and in this message area, Adsense told us that create a Ads.txt file for one site. Which is the site? Nutri Health Alert. This site have not any Ads.txt file, so we need to fix that. Okay, go Ads.txt guide page. It will show you step by step how to fix this error. At first you will check your website have any Ads.txt file or not. So how to check that? In the URL section, put your domain name. This is my domain name, wildcreed.com. After that, put a slash and write Ads.txt and enter. This website already have Ads.txt file. If I go for my another website which have not any Ads.txt file, nutrihealthalert.com. After that, Ads.txt. These types of error will show for missing Ads.txt on your website. In a second stage, go to your Adsense account and recheck the website name which have already these types of error, and after that go to your cPanel and log in that. After that, go to File Manager. In this area, click on the public_HTML. If you have a single domain hosting account, your Ads.txt will be located under the public_HTML. If you have a multi-domain hosting account, your all domains are located in here under the public_HTML. This is my targeted domain, nutrihealthalert.com. Now go to the Adsense page and download the Ads.txt file. It will be saved as a text file. Now this is my code. Copy that and go to the cPanel in the file manager to the domain location. Okay, in this area, click on the file to create a new Ads.txt file. Create a new file. This is my new Ads.txt file. After that, copy the code. Click on edit and paste that code here. Now go to the site. Check the Ads.txt situation of this site. Now Ads.txt is visible for this site new to health alert. Okay, after that go to the Adsense. You can ignore this message or refresh the Adsense page. Now you can see the error is gone, and by this process you can easily solve your Adsense Ads.txt error. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel WildCreed and please support me.